Hello everyone. Today we learn how to install Facebook on my iPhone. But before we start it, when the video is helpful, please subscribe my channel and give me a thumb up. And when you have any questions, please leave it in the comment sections. So let's get started. Now we are on my iPhone and we have to search for the App Store. So easily you can swipe down on your home screen and search for Store. And you see top left the App Store. We click it. And in the bottom right we have the search icon. We click it. And in the top search bar we search for Facebook. Then we click on Facebook. And in the first row, you see an ad. And in the second row, you see Facebook. And you can install it. So we have to wait for the downloading. So now it's downloaded. We can open it from the App Store directly when you wait for the downloading in the App Store. Or you can put it on your home screen. You can see it in the social networks. You can hold your Facebook icon for a longer time, and then you have the option to leave it on the home screen. And then you can open it from the home screen. You click it and it opens.